everything in regards to regulation that he was trying to get passed, he was doing. You know, it's just, it's great. Like, think about it, it's crazy. And then also, you know, I know a lot of people, they own Ripple, and a lot of people feel like, you know, the SEC is corrupt, but Gary Gensler, and he's the head of the SEC and everything like that. He actually met with Sam Bankman-Fried multiple times. So, you know, you got to ask yourself, if the regulators really wasn't questioning him and looking into him, do we really need more regulation? Or, you know, is regulation kind of there just to, like, you know, give you the vision or view of safety, but are they really keeping you safe? Because when he